Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about things that we can do and then incorporate into our life to live a healthier lifestyle. These tips also are so important to get healthy and fit for summertime, since summer is literally right here. So the first thing is very obvious. It is to stay hydrated. However, so many of us totally forget this step. So a great little tip is to actually add in some fruit into your water. This just helps give your water a little bit of flavor if you're someone that doesn't like plain water. Well, let's face it, many of us are attached to our phones and social media and totally forget to just unwind and turn those devices off and go outside and explore nature. This is so important to do, and it's so relaxing as well, whether that be you going for a walk with some friends or family, or a hike, or even just by yourself. It's such a great way just to unwind and see the nature and beauty around you, and to also explore the areas on where you're living at. It's also a great way to get in some exercise, so I definitely recommend just to get outside this summer and explore. Of course, we all have those days where we have a lot more sugar than what we should have had, but just being aware of that and making that healthier decision by grabbing a healthier option is very important and is something that I've been doing a lot lately. I wanted to become a lot more healthier and just live in overall a healthier lifestyle. So one way I decided to do that is to incorporate smoothies into my diet. Smoothies are absolutely amazing and so beneficial for your health, and they're also a great way to get in your greens if you're someone that doesn't really like vegetables. So here I'm making a very basic smoothie and great for beginners if you're just wanting to get into having smoothies. So I just put in a handful of spinach, half a banana, frozen mixed berries, as well as frozen blueberries. And then to mix it all up, I just added in half a cup of water. You can choose to use almond milk if you decide, or coconut water, but I just prefer just regular water. And then of course I just blend it up. I love to have smoothies for either lunchtime or breakfast, as it does fill you up for quite some time. Smoothies are also a great way to help get in a source and portion of your fruit and vegetables intake for the day. I absolutely love the smoothie and definitely recommend you to try it out if you want to get on the smoothie grind. Alright, so we all know the easy way out of going to a fast food place and grabbing a burger or whatever that might be, but for me personally, whenever I had fast food, I always felt very blah and just gross afterwards. So the last few months I decided to change up my eating habits and start eating a lot healthier. So one way I decided to do that was to incorporate a lot more salads into what I ate. So I just love how I feel not blah and I still feel satisfied and full after having a salad. So a great salad that I love to have quite often is just this very easy garden salad. I just chop up some carrots, celery, cucumber, toss in some cherry tomatoes into a spinach-based salad. And then if I feel like I want some more protein, I just cut up some chicken and throw that into my salad and I'm good to go. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed some of these tips, and definitely let me know in the comments down below what some of your hacks or ways you live a healthier lifestyle are. Definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and hit that subscribe button down below so you can be a part of the fam, and we will see you guys next time. Alright, bye.